Let's get Kerrville and Lano before I do miss them.
Of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by weather service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday.
El chismoso.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be
There's Lano.
Thursday.
Wait, Kerrville. There it is.
And the counties we alarm for are listed in a statement at the top of each hour. The current time is for today and a few strong synopsis for South Central Texas.
All right. Well, it looks like we got RWX stations. Where'd the other one go? There you are. Hi, Lola. Now we wait for Houston. Oops. Sorry, Phoebe. There they go.
The signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Problems with reception of this broadcast normally more noticeable at greater difficulty. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a slight showers and thunderstorms.
Looks like it's over. That's weird. Oh.